Do you really know what you're putting on your skin? The reality is, most of us don't. One. Did you know that a portion of what you put on your skin can be absorbed into your bloodstream? This is why JIC body butters do not contain phthalates or parabens, both of which can greatly affect your quality of life, cause serious illness, and even cause birth defects. JIC is proud to announce that we have the official stamp of approval from the Toxic Free Foundation. At JIC, we care about bringing you the highest quality products made only with certified toxic-free ingredients. 2. Now let's talk about what we put in the body butters to give you softer, smoother, younger-looking skin. JIC Natural Body Butters are packed with amino acids, minerals, and peptides that support skin renewal. The 24-hour moisturizers provide a nourishing treatment while delivering critical vitamins to help you experience healthier skin. Your skin will be happy to know that JIC Premium Body Butters will not clog your pores or cause hormone imbalance. 3. We wanted to provide you with 3 unique scent options to best represent you. But don't worry, if unscented is your thing, we thought of that as well. Did we forget to mention you reveal your surprise jewelry alongside your body butter? Available now at jewelryandcandles.com.